How's it going? It's been a minute. You're wondering where we at. We are at VIR. We are at Hyperfest. As you can see, it's a fucking shit show. But we got our stuff. We're waiting for tickets to go roll through. So we can get in. We've been waiting out here for at least an hour or so. But yeah, we have a mini pit bike, and hopefully we get into. What up, guys? I've been shooting around. I'm sorry, unfortunately I can't get on here so much. We at VIR. I got media pass. It's so much going on right now. It's so crazy out here. There's so much going on. I'm glad I came out and done this a lifetime. Hopefully at 5 o'clock we have a drift ride along, and you'll see that soon. All right. Hyperfest. It's been real. It's the last day. We're trying to leave a little early for home because we're nasty. We took a shower, but we feel nasty as hell. This is the last hoorah. Hyperfest was great. Had a lot of fun. Met a couple people. Took a lot of sun. It's great. Waking up to the sound of this, it's something different. Something different. But thank you guys for supporting me. And see you guys in the next Hyperfest. And hopefully it's great. Alright, thank you guys. Goodbye.